my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are going to unbox, we're going to unbox an advent calendar. Now this one is a bit unusual for his channel, but anyway, we're going to unbox it because it was quite a bargain, obviously from Home Bargains, and it is the Airwick advent calendar, and this was £4.99, and you're going to get 24 candles so your house can smell absolutely amazing. If you want it down and watch this unboxing, then grab a cuppa, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay then, so let's start off with door number one, and can I just say, this smells absolutely amazing, and I haven't even opened it so you can get a whiff of what's going on inside this calendar. So if you are going to give this to somebody, they're going to be like, what the hell? You'll be able to smell it from the wrapping paper. Okay, so let's open up door number one. Okay, so we have here the tea light. Oh, it doesn't tell you what each one is. That's a shame. Nope, it doesn't tell you. It's got like a so fresh smell. So what it is, I couldn't tell you. Oh, that's a bit of a disappointment, letting us know what's in it, each scent is. We're gonna have to play a guessing game. Okay, number two. Ooh, that's some lavender. I think. Nope. Okay. And then door number three. Where's door number three? There's door number three. Can't see properly. Okay. This is like a really good gift if you know someone who who loves candles. That's another freshy smell as well. Okay. Door number three. Door number four is, where's door number four? There, right in the middle there. Okay, so it looks like we're just getting the same smell. So that's four of the same ones. Let's see what's in door number five. Here, we've got another colour. So it's another smell. I can't even tell. That's got cinnamon in it. Oh, that's definitely got a bit of cinnamon in there. Okay, door number six. Door number six. Another one. It's another freshy one. Door number seven. Another lavender purple one. Door number eight. Oh, I'm quite disappointed. I thought there would have been like a different smell, and at least all messy as well. Got another cinnamon one. I don't know what I'm smelling. It's the same, isn't it? Door number eight. Door number nine. Let's see what's in door number nine. We got another purple one. Door number 10. Another red one. Door number 11. Another purple. Oh, okay. So it's the 3 seasonal. So we've got. So this one's Winter Wonderland. I've just figured out what it is. It's 3 different fragrances, and it's just the Christmas, the festive one. So you've got Winter Wonderland, which is a fresh seasonal pine fragrance, which I did say was very fresh. That will create an authentic winter wonderland in your home. Then we've got Mulled Wine, a woody and spicy fragrance designed to create a cozy and festive atmosphere. I thought it smelled of cinnamon. And then we have a Perfect Winter Berries, perfect to create a vibrant, festive atmosphere thanks to the sweet notes of fresh winter berries. Also, I thought that was lavender. Got that wrong, didn't I? What number were we at? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're on door number 12. So basically each one is basically those 3 scented flowers. Door number 13 is this one here. So it has to smell very fresh and festive from the start of December. Door number 13. So my new house is gonna smell amazing with all these. So that's door number 14. Door number 15. I thought it's the other calendar that's got the big candle. Now I'm smelling it, it's exactly the same. Door 15, door number 16, door number 17, door number 18. Basically, you've got a candle to burn for every day of December, really, haven't you? Well, 24 days. Door number 19, door number 20, 21, 22, 3. And what are we going to be smelling on Christmas Eve, I wonder? Oh, look at that. So that's door number 23. And then door number 24 is, so we've got it in a red one, and it's wild berries, and it's got a special little... Sorry about that, guys. My big camera just died, so I've just changed to my other camera. And yeah, we finished it off with the day 24, which was this one here. Would I run out and get this again? No. Now that I know that it was just this, I thought there was gonna be like a really nice big candle in it, but we'll see what happens with the advent calendar that I've got. So this is the Airwick calendar, 24 days, and it's £4.99 from Home Bargain. If you like your candles and want to burn something every single day, then you can get this. It's the 3 festive fragrances come in the advent calendar. So yeah, guys, that is it. Let me know what you thought about this video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow on another day of Vlogtober. Bye.